Just woke up a few minutes ago. Heard it got very windy. It got very dark outside. And I looked out and oh my goodness, it is raining. We have not had rain since Helene went through here a few weeks ago. There's Mr. Farmer Hicks sitting on the lawnmower getting nice and wet. Actually, it's getting cleaned up because it's been very dusty here. And over this way, these balloon Halloween creatures. Ooh, it is very windy right now. I just flew up, but I see Mr. Minion couldn't make it up. A little lighted pumpkin here. Yeah, I am here at the house by myself right now. I'm getting ready to go down and get Stella. But my God, we are actually getting some rain. My poor fern plant up there, I haven't watered it in weeks. Let's just set it out in the rain. Here's my big banana plant. Poor thing keeps getting beat up. It got beat up really bad by Helene. I got some more new shoots on it. And it looks like it's getting beat up some more. Ooh, that wind is cold too. I didn't know it was supposed to rain. Let me run out back. Actually, I'm going to go through the garage and get Stella and bring her up. It'll be quicker and shorter. And here's my fall fake plant. Ooh, I better put a jacket on. That rain is cold. It was very hot earlier, so who knows how long it's supposed to rain for. I think I'll be staying up here tonight in the big house. So I will catch back up with you guys in a moment when I go down and get Stella. Oh, I think I will show you a project I've been working on for the past 3 days. I have painted my stairwell here. Just got it done today. I removed all the blue tape. And I vacuumed really good. I have had this paint for over 4 years now and decided, since the weather has really cooled down, started it a couple of days ago, cleaning the walls, wiping them down, putting the blue tape on all the trim, the wood part, and around all the doors. Oh, I hate popcorn ceiling. But I was really amazed how well it matched up to the paint that was on the wall. And the paint was still good, thank goodness. After 4 years of sitting here inside the basement, so I got really high ceilings in this house. So I had to buy a new pole with an extender on it to reach up to the ceilings. I gotta take that light off and get it clean. But it came out really, really nice. I got some paint on the carpet, but not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Anyway, it's all done, thank goodness. I've been putting it off for too long now and hanging on to the paint. I'm going to go through the garage here. Ooh, it's dark. Put the light out there. I'm going to open up the door here. Yep, it's raining pretty good. I gotta clean my mess up down here. Sammy helped me do some painting, and we both kind of got paint all over the place. I left my paint pan and a rod or paintbrush outside. So let me run get Stella really quick. I'm gonna shut you off. I don't want to take my phone in the rain. Well, this is Stella. She's a little wet. Hi, Stella. No, no. And she's a little dirty. She was supposed to go into the groomers last Saturday, and I don't know what happened today. Probably didn't make her an appointment. But I'm kind of letting her dry off a little bit before I take her upstairs. Hi, Stella. Yep, you ready to go up? Come on. Clean your feet off. Dry your feet. No. Well, she was under the deck out there, and she has shelter under a couple of tables that she can stay dry, that she doesn't have to be in the rain. So the only thing wet on her is just her feet from walking across the driveway. Come on, clean your feet off there before you get on the carpet. Come on. Come on, Stella. It's dry off. Down. Stay down. Yeah, she's waiting to be fed. This dog, I tell you, she will eat 24/7 if you let her. What, you squatting now? Huh? You squatting? Okay, let me close the garage door. Yeah, it's still raining out there. Yep, there she goes. No, you're not going to run upstairs. I'm not going to. No, stay. 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 Let me close the door first, Stella. Stay. Yeah, showing the upstairs again. Go. Wait, Stella, hold your britches. Boy, see how anxious she is? She is dragging me up these stairs, or steps. She is really a strong little dogger. She's just hungry. Hunger. No, stay. Stay. Oh, I forgot to take the jacket off. Oh, well. Stella, stay. Get around the corner here. I'll shut you guys off for a minute while I tie her up. Okay, I got Stella's food ready. I want to show you how quick this one little dog can gobble her food up. Back, Stella, back, stay, stay. Where are you? Stay. No, stay. Stay. See, she won't even let me put it down. Stella, you gotta stay. Let me stand on her leash here. Hear that rain hitting the tin roof on top of the deck? Beautiful. Less than half a minute. It's all gonna be gone. And then should we go back and lick the bowl again to think there's more in it? Yeah, I'm going to have her stay out here for a while because she stinks. See? All gone. Stella, you're such a little pig. Hey, Stella, bed, go to bed. Stella, house. Look, she ignores me when it comes to food. House, in your house, go, stay. Hey, she went in. Okay, that's about it, folks. Just had to run down and get Stella. Oh, see, she's back out again. She snuck back out. Little sticker, there's nothing left in it. No, that's it, till breakfast. She gets fed twice a day. She gets a treat later tonight. And let's go see up. It's still raining. I don't know how long it's supposed to rain. See, Mr. Minion still didn't come up outside. I put out a new video today. Me and Sammy going down to, oh, here it is. Oh, hang on. We went to, Bluebell Farm yesterday for Sammy to see the animals that he's never seen before in real life, and he was able to touch them. So I'm excited for them to get home so his whole family can see this video of him petting. Oh yeah, he saw rabbits, he saw geese, he saw chickens and turkeys, goats, and Mr. Buffalo the turtle. Here, let me speed this up and we get around to where Mr. Turtle is. There he is. Let me go back a little bit. Okay, let me go a little bit forward. Is it? Okay. His name is Mr. Buffalo. This is a farm just down below us. Less than 15 minutes.
So is this Mr. Buffalo or? Okay.
He brings Mr. Buffalo over to Sammy.
100 pounds? Oh, wow.
Watch Sammy pet it.
Oh, my goodness.
That is so sweet.
Wow.
If you would like, you can go and watch this on my other video. It is called Sammy Meets Mr. Buffalo. I put it out earlier today. And I'm going to sign off now and go make some dinner for myself. And hopefully this rain will... Well, actually, we need the rain. I even said in this video the ground was so dry there at their farm because it hasn't rained since that last hurricane came through Helene that really did a lot of damage here in South Carolina and North Carolina. So, okay, folks, you will have a good evening out there. It's Saturday afternoon, just a little after 6. And I will catch you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe, like, thumbs up, share this video, and love each and every one of you. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.